Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Under the motto, Call to be Salt and Light for Young People, about 400 Salesian cooperators and other members of the Salesian family gathered virtually on September 26 with the aim of shedding light on the formative situations that are live in the local centers of the Inter-America region. The World Councillor of the SSCC Inter-America region, Francisco Bersigia, said that the Regional Training Congress is part of a series of meetings that offer the opportunity to grow both personally and as a community to offer a better service to the beneficiaries. Antonio Boucher, World Coordinator of Salesian Cooperators in the framework of the 145th anniversary of the foundation of the Association of Salesian Cooperators and in the journey of the life of the association, invited to be a new spring as protagonists sowing hope among young people. Salesian missionaries who live and work at the Palabik refugee camp, Uganda, provide adequate education to refugee children. Also thanks to funding from donors from Salesian missions, the Salesian missionary procurators based in New Rochelle in the United States. The Palabik refugee camp currently hosts more than 56,000 refugees and asylum seekers. It was officially established in April 2016 to address crowding problems in the larger refugee camps in northwestern Uganda. Several institutions are involved in providing food and education within the camp. While some have decided to leave because of the pandemic, the Salesians have stayed and offer education to refugee children in the camp. There are 100 children in primary school, 54 in secondary school and 25 older young people in the Don Bosco Professional Center, where they learn skills in sewing, solar energy management, mechanics, agriculture, construction and the hairdressing profession. The Salesian Academy of Arts and Communications, ASAC in Spanish, concluded on Friday 10 September the second stage of the online formation experience organized by the Salesian Multimedia Center, Catare Toll, which once again brought together the students of the 22 Salesian schools in the country. The day began with the greeting of Vicente Fritz, Provincial Delegate for Social Communication, who thanked all those who took part in the workshop and the students for their participation and commitment. We hope that this experience has been a contribution for you. It certainly is for us. Continue to be encouraged to follow the path of arts and communication, said Vicente Fritz. Subsequently, he underlined the importance of this academy, fundamental both in the field of communication and in that of education. From 19 to 22nd September, Father Ivo Shillong, General Councillor for Formation, visited Central America accompanied by Father Francisco Santos of the same dicastery. The objective of Father Shillong's visit is to accompany the Interprovincial Formation Houses, Theological, Post-Novitiate and Regional Center of the Salesian Coadjutor Cresco. The visit to the post-novitiate was one of closeness and sharing as well as with the theology students of the four courses who had the opportunity to tell their formative experiences. In the same way, the Salesian coadjutors had their space for reflection with the General Councillor for Formation. On September 24th, on the occasion of the monthly celebration of Mary Help of Christians, the first group of the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, was founded in the new Salesian community of Huyambu. Father Alfred Maravilla, General Councillor for the Missions, visited the Salesian presence of Podgorica. Founded in 1966, the presence belonging to the province of Slovenia, SLO, has 3 sectors. The parish dedicated to the Sacred Heart, the Daily Oratory, Don Bosco Center and the Educational Center that offers young people language courses in English, Spanish, German, Italian, Albanian and Slovenian. Father Maravilla also met Monsignor Jeff Gashi, SDB, Archbishop Emeritus of Bar, the first Albanian Salesian bishop. With him, the General Councillor for the Missions had a dialogue that helped him to learn more about the beginnings of the Salesian presence in Albania, Kosovo and Montenegro. For the first time in history, the provincial delegates for mission animation of the 4 Polish provinces gathered for a meeting in the Salesian Seminary of Krakow. Father Yaksek Ziborski, PLE, Father Tadeusz Gorycka, PLS, Father Jerzy Babiak, PLO, and Father Krzysztof Tomczykowski, PLN. They were summoned and accompanied by Father Pavel Zenezek of the dicastery for the missions. During the meeting, everyone agreed that among the strengths of their work, there are Salesian missionary volunteering, especially of the PLE and PLS provinces, and their presence in school and parishes for Salesian Mission Sunday. The weakest point is that it is often thought that the missions concerned only the missionaries. A combined 10-day annual National Cadet Corps NCC training camp for 400 NCC cadets from 10 colleges in and around Siliguri was held under the aegis of the 16th Bengal Battalion at Salesian College, Siliguri from September 16 to 25, 2021. The camp activities included drills, weapon training, map reading, and various team-building exercises with social activities. 28 cadets from Salesian College participated in the camp along with Salesian College NCC coordinator Lieutenant Risha Chetri. The cadets followed their daily schedule of morning meditation, morning and evening drills, learning from the armed forces, social subjects, and playing games. From September 21st, the cadets in batches went to the firing range for weapon firing practice. The campus had a gala cultural evening on September 24th with NCC Commander Balraj Gurung and Salesian College Vice Principals Father C.M. Paul Science and Father P.T. Saju Arts as guests of honor. At the finish of the camp, the Salesian College NCC accompany back the Champions Trophy. Polish ambassador to India, Professor Adam Wojciech Burakowski, and his 9-year-old daughter, Marta Agnieszka, made a short visit to Bandel Basilica and Don Bosco Seminary on September 26. Professor Burakowski, who came to pay a visit to the Honorary Consulate of Poland in Kolkata, made it a point to visit some of Bengal's historical legacies left behind by foreign countries. Accompanied by the Chief Consular Officer of Kolkata, Joydeep Roy, he visited Bandel Basilica, a 440 years old Portuguese church, before moving to the Sacred Heart Church, Chandanagar, a French colony. Being a devout Catholic, he spent most of his time in prayer, said Father Jose Pathical, headmaster of St. John's School, Bandel, who guided him around the church premises. He visited all the places of worship in the church and moved to Don Bosco Seminary. He and his daughter were greeted with smiles and welcome song by the seminarians. Being fluent in English, Hindi and Urdu, Professor Burakowski spoke a few words in Hindi and English, encouraging the seminarians to work hard to achieve their goals in life. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.